Is going on, guys? Well, in today's video, obviously we are replacing blown shocks. So as you can tell, I'm going with a factory shock. Okay, now I did originally want to make a video where I'm putting some aftermarket upgrade, you know, Bilsteins or Fox shocks. It costs all kinds of money. I got kind of worried that I was going to change the ride too much in the truck. I kind of wanted to ride smooth like factory. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is cost. The Bilsteins and Fox shocks start at $100. They go up to $400, okay, depending on what model you're looking at. I was looking at $300 ones. I talked myself out of that because I started looking up the prices on these guys, and surprisingly, these are only $51 a piece. So $110 for both. Reason number three is hardware and installation, okay? Now, taking these out was super crazy easy. As you can see, just took a 17 millimeter and I used a crescent wrench, okay, for the top parts here. And I didn't really need this because like you could just hold it with your hand. It all came loose super easy. These guys are going to install exactly the same, okay? Usually when you go with aftermarket shocks, the hardware is usually some standard size. The bushings are usually big. You end up struggling with all this part a little bit when you go and put it all together, okay? So this is factory. It's going to go together just like we took it apart. It came with everything I needed, okay, including new nuts for the top, okay? It's just going to be the exact same size, okay? I don't need any of these wrenches here. Just need one wrench, really. Yeah, as far as the blown shocks go, the truck itself, 80-something thousand miles, almost 90,000 miles, and these guys weren't doing very much. You could hear the truck squeaking and bouncing all over the place when I was driving. It's actually starting to wear out the tires funny. I actually rotated them the other day, and they're on the front now, but the tires started cupping, okay, because I think the tires were just bouncing up and down on the highway. This thing sees a lot of highway miles, so I can actually feel it in the front end now since I rotated the tires, and the tires are all kind of messed up now because I was driving too long on some bad shocks. What I'll probably end up doing is I'll probably end up replacing the front too, but I'm going to use factory just because I know it's going to go really well. OEM is bueno, so. All right, so we're just gonna tighten it up with the 17 mil and the crescent wrench here, and that's it. Super easy. Please subscribe if you want to see me do the front. All right, that one's a little bit more complicated, so I'll be looking out for that video. And yeah, drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video. If you've ever done aftermarket shocks, you know this part is the nightmare part, getting this nut to go on and getting it all to tighten down without spinning. So check this out. One-handed, tighten it up, no sweat. Okay, now when this gets squished a little bit more, we'll have to hold it like this and use the wrench. Okay, you can use your hand. Want to get this to compress a little bit, we're good to go. Oh, and the only downside I can think of to these OEM shocks is that they're only going to last, there's a possibility they're only going to last 70,000 miles, 80,000 miles, okay?